Last week, I found myself working with a company managing over 25,000 repositories. They needed to be able to automatically apply policies, security rules, and other checks to these repos at scale. But these checks needed to be selectively targeted. For example, if a repository contained only backend code, there wouldn't be a point in running their front-end test suite. Or if something was going to ship to a production environment, they'd have a whole set of security scans they wanted to run on it, and so on. Fortunately for them, and for you, we've just added custom properties to GitHub repositories. This lets you decide at the org level what custom information should be defined for each repository. These can be optional or they could be mandatory. So for example, you could require every repo to have a property called environment and a value of either development or production. Now, once these properties are defined, you can use them to manually search and filter your repositories. But from an automation perspective, you can create rule sets which apply to repos based on their properties. This lets you say things like, if this is a production environment, then require signed commits and make sure there's a full dependency scan every time code is merged. Custom properties will take mass management of your repos to a whole new level, allowing you to improve security and reliably enforce policies at the org level. And everything I've just shown you, plus the ability to set and query these properties via API, is available now. You can find out more by visiting gh.io/repo properties,